Printing double-sided wire sleeves doesn't have to be complicated or wasteful. Let's look at how the BradyPrinter i5300 gets you printing fast and on the first sleeve. With your sleeve roll properly loaded, Brady Workstation automatically recognizes the double-sided material, making it ready to edit. Enter the text for both sides of your wire sleeves. You have options to duplicate text to both sides, use different text, and flip the text on side 2. If you have a serialized sleeve list, enter your start and end values and drag into the text box. When you're ready, click Print at the top. Enter the number of labels in the job and select which sides to print and in what sequence. For this demonstration, we'll choose both sides standard and click Print. When side 1 is finished, tap Cut on the screen and see instructions for the next steps. Open the printer covers. Spin the material back onto the roll, but do not remove the roll from the printer. Next, find the correct end of your printed strip of sleeves. Flip it over. Feed the end of the printed strip through the back cover slot, over the roll of sleeves, and through the media guides, aligning it just like you would a new roll of labels. Close the printer cover and tap Print on the screen. Now you have double-sided sleeves without wasting a single one. For more BradyPrinter i5300 resources, check out our website.